Hey everyone, are you facing problems while using Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot common Luma AI issues step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure your browser is working properly. A stable connection is important for creating and managing AI videos. Next, update your browser to the latest version. Outdated browsers can sometimes cause loading, login, or performance problems. If Luma AI is not loading correctly, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser. For login problems, make sure you are using the correct account and sign-in method. You can also try resetting your password if needed. If video generation is failing, review your prompt and uploaded files. Use clear prompts and make sure images meet the required quality and format. For slow performance, close unnecessary browser tabs, disable conflicting extensions, and check your device performance. If exports are not working, confirm that your video is fully generated and that you have enough storage space available. Finally, check for temporary service issues or contact Luma AI support if the problem continues. And that's how to troubleshoot common Luma AI issues. By checking your browser, account, prompts, files, and settings, you can fix most problems and continue creating AI videos smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.